Well, I thought you had insurance though, sir. I thought you had insurance. You could have just called it off. I got State Farm. I got Allstate. I got Liberty Mutual. I got the little lizard named Geico. Fuck out of here.
I love you, baby.
I love you too, puppy.
I had to run that back.
My cousin gonna take me. I don't want no ambulance. I want to smoke a chill first. Huh? Pay for it. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna need your signature over here, name, signature, phone number, and insurance name. It's through the rental, so I'll just put the rental company. Yeah, the rental company. Okay. Well, it's so hard to do the right. Oh, shoot. Oh, I'm trying my best. Alright, eligible. Oh, yesterday.
Uh-oh. Yes, they are.
Yeah. Okay, I tried to write I'm eligible because my hand is messed up, so that's the best. It's 698. Hold on. 678.
They repeating his phone number. Child, this is a mess. He got the ticket. He got the ticket. He sure did. He muted the phone, y'all, so nobody could hear nothing. He probably asking the police why I get the ticket for. Why I get the ticket. Hey, thank you, that's Deja. That's what he asking the police. Why did I get a ticket? Shit.
Thank you, Lord. Hallelujah. Oh, I love my cousin. I got real family. Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord.
I got real family.
She jumped up. Oh, thank you. Oh, my God.
Well, if she jumped up and came to you, how was she driving?
You know, this is what families do, y'all. She like, turn these on, she put the...
See, here we go. Thank you, Carmo. You talking too much.
You see, I could have died. You see how bad, am I tripping?
Hey, Valerie, good morning. He talking too much.
How did God stop? Am I tripping? This is a miracle. Wait, the mama here about this. I didn't even call her yet. I was on time. I don't even I was like, I want to kind of wait. I got to wait till tomorrow with the race of my blood pressure. You eat that. Right. I'm good. I'm going to smoke a blunt. Legal blunt. It'll be fine. I got my...
Yeah, he talking too much.
In Georgia, I can't
Thank you, Grandma.
You know, she be on no.
Right. He know how this app. I think you having one. He know what this motherfucking app give. Now, why would you come on the camera and say your cousin dropped straight up out the bed and came to you, but you told the police that your cousin was driving that motherfucking car at that accident and knowing that that girl just got out of her bed and just came up there? That's stupid. This stupid shit right here. This is stupid shit right here. Ain't no fucking way. If I'm in somebody's car, I need to call them to the scene, to, you know what I'm saying, because I'm in that shit to get the insurance to cover. You think I'm finna be live talking about this shit? Ain't it? You think I'm finna be live talking about this shit in front of these police motherfuckers on here? Y'all know they finna break this thing down. I done already broke it down. But these people finna... Shit. He backing off, going viral off the ass whooping and the coincidental accident. He trying to go viral. Child, these people on bigo on his ass. Tomorrow, this is gonna... In the morning, he's finna be the content. They finna break down this whole thing just like I just did. They already on his ass. They already on his ass. Man, that man just died 15 bullets. They on his ass, boo. They finna wear him out with this accident. I wouldn't have did that, Charlie. Charlie, you constantly doing stuff. I mean, I don't understand. What's wrong, baby? You want these folks to just go on and just run you off this motherfucking app? Oh, they gonna dissect the fuck out this accident. They gonna dissect it, baby. How many people in the wonder watching y'all right now? They already listening to me dissect it. People in the wonder. "61 people in the Wonder Girl." Oh my God. 61 people in the Wonder. What the fuck is y'all doing? What is y'all doing? Just come on in the fucking room and sell a damn bean. Listen, y'all check this shit out.
I'm starting off by using the native...
Private Charlie and his angels.
The RICO case. We're talking about a Fulton County Sheriff's deputy arrested earlier today and accused of trying to smuggle contraband to a defendant in the case. This deputy, Akiba Stanley, in this mugshot here, in the past hour, the Fulton County Sheriff announced she has been fired. And we have learned she was previously fired from the Atlanta Police Department when an investigation found she was unfit to serve as an officer. 11 Alive's Natasha Gibbons joining us now live in studio tonight. And in the past few hours, we received the arrest warrant for Stanley. So, Natasha, what is going on here?
Well, there's a lot to unpack, Jennifer. The deputy is accused of having an inappropriate relationship with Christian Eppinger by communicating with him on Instagram, visiting his cell, and trying to smuggle items to him. Now, you may recall Eppinger is accused of shooting an Atlanta police officer last year. He remains behind bars tonight, and the deputy is too. Akiba Stanley took an oath to serve and protect, but officials say her track record as an officer is now criminal. Her arrest warrants detail her having an inappropriate relationship with an inmate, visiting his cell, communicating with an inmate through Instagram, and trying to smuggle contraband to Christian Eppinger from one of his relatives. Eppinger is accused of shooting a veteran Atlanta police officer several times last year while he was being taken into custody. He's also a defendant in the YSL RICO case awaiting trial. Stanley's charges include violation of oath of office, reckless conduct, and conspiracy to commit a felony. But this isn't the first time her conduct as an officer has been questioned. According to state records, Stanley started working for the Atlanta Police Department back in 2016. But during a 30-day period, she received several complaints. Some are outlined in this investigation obtained by 11 Alive. It states her actions during traffic stops made her unfit to be an officer.
Now, let me just pause that. I just want y'all to hear that, because I'm trying to find out why Nature Boy and them wives ain't in jail. I'm trying to find out if this police officer was trying to get contraband in there for this YSL dude. Why in the fuck is Nature Boy women ain't in jail, and they done set up here and tried to send this man some drugs and contraband with a drone? That was my whole point of playing this. If she locked up, why they ain't locked up? If she locked up, it surely is crunch as a motherfucker need to be done. Tremojis. Why in the fuck Nature Boy wives ain't incarcerated? One of the admins kicked them out of here. Thank you. Here I go. Yep, that's right. That's Young Thug case. Right. I guess she wanted to be a part of the child. I ain't understanding why the wives ain't in jail, and they done locked her up because she want to be a part of YSL. He got in the movie for sure. You can bet that. Child. Thank you, Kiki 86. Kick that what's their name is? Scroll down. Well, if him right there, Tremojis. Yeah, kick him. Talking about my motherfucking hair crunchy, bitch. If you don't like it, bitch, goddamn it, send some coins. Send some coins and get it fixed. The fuck? You thought you had a friend? You stopped at the wrong live, boo. So, thank you, Flame Shotter. Other than that, what else has been going on? Cause, child, I done already dissected Charlie case in front of all them bailiffs and judges. I done already dissected Charlie. So, what else happened on bigo? And they finna weigh his ass out tomorrow. In the morning. Oh, he felt like
A person commits false imprisonment when they engage in the act of restraint on another person, which was in her Uber, and
they talking about Nature Boy falsely in prison. Child. Okay, Kiki, I got you, boo. He talking about he was falsely in prison. Honey, them white folk. Wait a minute, let me follow her. Them white folk downtown don't think so. Y'all can sit up and go do interviews. Y'all can because I see dudes throwing the drugs to Young Thug in court. Send a lawyer and get on the news and say, damn, did Angela say Section 8 and buying a house for her? Yeah, I saw that on YouTube. I didn't even read Young Thug never touched that drug. Let me tell you something. Yeah, she on here bragging about her Section 8 and her damn, her Section 8 and her, whatever the fuck it is. That girl retarded. I don't understand how she gonna get enough Section 8 and ain't got no, yeah, it's a setup. I don't understand how she get nothing and ain't got no kids. I don't understand that. Brandon Keys finds a post on Facebook about Charlie. I don't understand how she finna get nothing and ain't got no children. Unless it's a one bedroom. But she got all them felony charges. Hold on, y'all. Look at TKO with this suit on.
Out here, I had a church.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Damn. Ain't it? Me too.
Yeah.
Now all this wrongdoing this man doing, he playing gospel music and got on a suit and tie with a bow red in the top of his motherfucker head.
Yeah. Thank you, Joe. Appreciate that. What's up, Miss Rocky?
Girl, that shit fake as hell.
I'm gonna go check it out.
Let me tell you something. That shit fake as a motherfucker, Tweedle. What's up, 214? That shit fake as hell. This man done finessed that boss life girl out of her motherfucking money. And made that girl move out her motherfucking place and sell her furniture for $200. And that girl living in a motherfucking community that's selling now. And now you in Korea want to go to church. You want to put on a suit and tie and put a motherfucking ponytail on top of your goddamn head with a bow red tied to it and thinking you doing your big one. You think you can go to church now and ask God for forgiveness. You want the people to look at you now as a man of God. But you the same motherfucker that was standing out there with Honey V, Honey V Finesse and that other girl, the diamond girl, and you the same motherfucker that was running around the car talking about, oh my mama, you can get it. Oh my mama, you can get it. Oh my mama, you can get it. You the same motherfucker that was doing all that, but now you want to go to church? You want to go to church, nigga, and y'all ain't been to church and God knows when. They say when people get in trouble, they run to the Lord. They said in there, I'm telling you what the folks said. They said, when you in trouble and you hit rock bottom, you want to run to the Lord. You ain't been going to church. You ain't been going. Y'all must got some bad shit going on up in that motherfucker for you to want to run to the Lord's house. Then you want to let you know that it's fake. Come on now. To let you know that it's fake. Because you go live on Bigo with a suit on, you making sure they see you with the suit and the ponytail on your motherfucking head. Then let you know it's fake. Because one thing about it, if you going to go serve God for real, you ain't got to come on here and let the people know what the fuck you doing. That's right. He playing in God's face. Well, he playing in the people's face. Because God already know he a clown. God already know he a clown. Yeah, he got a ponytail. He gonna tell her, Korea, well, you know, I'm at the beauty shop right now. They finna wash my hair. I'm gonna just go ahead and get a bun. I'm gonna get a bun. What man said that they at the beauty shop getting a bun? B-U-N. What man call you as his woman and on the phone and tell you that he at the beauty shop finna get a bun put on his motherfucking head? That's what women say. We getting a bun. We getting a ponytail. Or whatever. This man said, I'm at the beauty shop finna get a bun, Korea. Korea, shit. Man, fake jazz, faggot motherfucker. Man, boy, gone. This what y'all like. This what y'all like now. This what y'all fighting about. What's up, Polly?
Thank you.
What's up, Brown A? That's what he said now.
What's up, it's Angie. What's up, baby, honey? How you doing?
Thank you, Miss C. Mine ain't either.
Thank you. Appreciate that. Appreciate the love.
This man so fake, bruh. Ooh-wee. That nigga gonna bust hell wide the fuck open. In gasoline draws. He gonna bust it wide open. He gonna bust it wide open with gasoline draws. And they said that girl, damn, this better did. They said that girl named Boss Life, she been in her feelings because he ain't called her all day. Child, you should have knew that before you signed up for this shit, dumb asshole. That's your dumb ass fault. She's sitting over here crying about a man that'll never be hers. She's sitting up here crying about a man that want to be with another man. She's sitting up here crying about a man that want to be with another man in real life. Not Bigo life, in real life. He don't want you, sus. He don't want you, sus. He really want a man. And you don't look man enough for him. Shit, let me see if I got the thing. Yeah, he like trainers. And do. Hold on, let me see if I can find it. You have sleep. Well, I'm finna be whole sleep. I'm finna be a whole sleep. Fuck hell. Oh shit. Him want him a man, boy, dude, for him to hold. Damn right he do.
Pray for Shell, she going through it. So all this shit is fake. So all this shit is fake. Even the girl, this is a real page. Click her page, this shit real. North Augusta. These motherfuckers from Augusta. I don't know these people. I'm from South Central LA. Who the fuck know? I don't know these people. I know maybe a couple people from Augusta. That's it.
Hey, Chrissy.
I can count on my fingers how many people I know from Augusta. That's it. Other than that, I don't know these people. These motherfuckers from Augusta. These are real pages.
Why they got super looking like this? Why they got Super looking like that? Fuck wrong with Super looking like that?
And the fact that he from Augusta too.
LA, South Central LA.
Charlie from Augusta. Look. Ayla J from Augusta. That area. This shit real as hell. Y'all can say what the hell y'all want.
He's trying to say that stuff real about that little boy.
Charlie gotta swallow this hell. He gotta swallow that motherfucker. Mutual friends with him and one close friend that's 55. See what I'm saying, Panama Bros? Like, this shit real.
Everybody glad Charlie got knocked.
Look,
good morning, Marvin.
Knowing that he had that shit.
Yeah, but that's just ugly.
Is it called attempted murder? What is it called when you willfully spread some shit, knowing, or do some shit, knowingly? Like, that shit called, I don't forget what it is. I don't know if it's attempted murder or not. Whatever it is. Okay, yeah, okay.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Motherfucker ain't through no end.
Saying that he gave that boy the package.
And he kept trying to bite her. That's wild, yeah. Yeah, premeditated, yeah.
That's bad to put that on somebody. Get out, see.
What's up, Brandon?
Boss, what up with it? What's happening?
I'm thinking that it kind of makes sense if you just say this stuff.
Somebody that got admin, get that C out of here, because I can't click on nothing. I guess there's too many people in here.
Track that shit, you know that, right?
Yeah, I didn't think about that. We actually, the vendors said they could contract it. I don't know how they can contract.
Thank you, K-Pop.
I don't know how they can contract.
I'm just saying, bodily fluids. If you have blood and saliva mixed together, hell yeah.
Oh, okay. Bleeding gums.
Oh, they trying to say.
You don't know if he has fucking what you call that shit? Caries of the gum. I'm just saying. But keep doing your due diligence. That's crazy though.
So y'all, when y'all look at,
they trying
y'all
to
think
say
that he
Well,
y'all
that's
think
cold.
Charlie might have some bleeding gums in there?
That's cold.
Friends, stop lying. Stop making up shit.
They trying to say that Charlie.
Oh, that's probably you. Your mouth is in.
They trying to say that Charlie done gave that done bit Savannah and gave Savannah the house in Virginia.
And there has to be.
That's cold. That's cold. Y'all will put that shit on anybody.
I thought hold on, shit. I thought airborne disease is like.
That's what they talking about now.
Like coughing and shit. HIV ain't airborne, is it? You can't cough.
I know he bit him.
HIV.
Thank you, K-Pop. I'm just saying. They saying that he got the
no airborne disease. Okay. I'm about to say,
I'm confused.
Airborne is like COVID. Exactly. Okay. I'm about to say. Hold on. Don't take sugar. Look.
You only can get it through blood and semen. People need to do their research. You cannot get it through saliva.
Let me say this, y'all. For the sake of Savannah, I will hope not. Damn. I will hope that boy didn't, you know what I'm saying? I will hope that he don't have that stuff. And that's why he bit Savannah. Because while y'all saying that he probably got the package, who's to say Savannah ain't got it? You got to understand, when he bit her finger, blood did come out of her finger. So the blood probably went in his mouth. That's right. When he bit her finger, there was bleeding coming from her finger. So don't just say Charlie got the house in Virginia. Who's to say Savannah ain't got it? I mean, come on now, y'all. We got to stop picking and choosing. Stop picking and choosing these people now. Both of them LGBTQ.
Using no toilet money, it's through semen and blood. Don't go through Google, go to meds, Google.
That's right.
Get, med something. But you cannot get it like that. My homegirl got it.
Now they trying to say,
I smoked blunts by this girl. Use her bathroom.
You can't get it
I
from.
don't got this shit.
People going around saying you can get it from saliva. Y'all need to stop that. Y'all do need to do y'all research on that though, for real. Because I used to be like that. I got a little cousin. He got it. And I used to, when he would come around, I'd be like, ooh, throw that cup in the garbage. Throw that fork away. Give him his own plate. Give him his own this. Give him his own that. Don't let him use the bathroom. That ain't how you get it, though. That ain't how you transmit it. That's not how you transmit it. But when you don't know, you start speculating. I can't let nobody up. I don't know why the screen froze.
Let me see something.
Who in the queue? The screen froze. It won't let me click on nothing. Hold on, let me try something. I don't even know where all these 1,000 people come from.
Okay, yes, the virus is not spread like air, like cold.
Hold on, let me pause this right quick. I'm trying to understand where all these people come from. Did you know? You know what I'm saying? Blessed forever. Where the fuck all these people come from? Y'all goddamn favorite host must not be live. Where y'all broadcast at? Y'all better go wake them motherfuckers up and tell them y'all bored and need some entertainment. Hold on, because girl, I can't even see no comments. How many in the window now? Yeah, go see how many in the window. I ain't in mine. What's up, Blue 585? I see you, baby. Damn, she said you told them to come out the window. They sure came. You is our entertainment now. I don't like a lot of people in my room either. What's up, family? Man, these folks done spooked the hell out of me. Man, these folks got me nervous. They got me nervous. I'm over here sweating and shit. My phone done froze up. I don't understand. What's going on? Come on, Blue, run me up right quick. And then Blue done, look at Blue. Blue done shared the live. You gonna make more people come. Thank you, Blue. 75 people in the window. Lord have mercy. The crowd is growing and growing and growing. Thank you, Blue. The crowd is growing and growing and growing, y'all. What is